had this probably about 65-year-old gentleman. He would wait in the waiting room, and my nurse would go downstairs, and she'd say, "Hi, I'd like to take you up." And every single time he would go to the bathroom, and we thought, nervous but it was every single time. So there was this one time where I was going to do a filling, and yet again, obviously he goes to the bathroom before he comes in. He came in, start to do the treatment, and at one point I'm drilling, and he blows out of his nose, and cocaine comes flying out of his nose.